So without introduction, I will show you how to get followers from this app. Okay, so let's start the video. First you have to go on the website which I have given in the description. Then you have to click on the button download APK. So you have to download. I already downloaded, so I will directly open my application, exit, and now you will get this type of interface. Okay, you have to click on the sign in, and you have to log in your account here. Okay, your original account you have to write, and then password, and now login. Okay, so there on the right side top you will get a tick mark option. You have to click on that. Again I have to click on sign in. Again I have to click on that tick mark which I will get on the top, and now it will ask you referral code. Okay. Never miss this part because this is main part. So it will tell you, do you have referral code? You have to click yes. Okay, you just have to click yes, and you have to write this code 2378144. It will give you more followers at a time. So you will get 60 plus followers in every 10 minutes if you wrote this code. Okay, then have to click on next. You got the procedure? So I hope you understood. So now I will log in from my real account. Okay, this type of interface you will get, or else you will get just 2 layers. And now I will log out from here and I will log in from my real account, which I have 36.4 something followers. So I will log in my account here. This time I will not get any referral code option because I already used that referral code on my this account. So now I have to click on that top right. There is one tick mark, so I have to click that tick mark, and even you have to click that tick mark. After that you will get that code option. Okay, so now this will not ask me code because I already used it. So you will get this type of interface. You have to click on that star. You have to gain points first. So if you wrote my referral code, then you will get 8 points per following. Okay, so now see this, I have to follow, I have to go back to that account, I have to refresh, I will get point, then I again have to unfollow them. You got the procedure? So now again I will follow this account, I will go back to my that on the previous app, and again I have to unfollow them. So like that you have to do. Again I have to click on that, again I have to unfollow them. So like that you will get more points. You got that? So see my followers, 36,421 followers I have. So now this will give you points, maybe 150 points you will get from this option. So now see 457 points I have. I have to like that post to get 4 points. Okay, so see now I got 4 points, and the search button gives you 2 points. So better you keep searching, so you will get, without doing anything you will get 2 points every time. Each and every time you will get 2 points. See this, I'm going to show you how it works. This video I made just because some of my international friends, they don't know Hindi language, So for those I did this video. If you like this video, then please comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, so see this, I got too many likes, too many followers. This is my account. As you everyone knows that this is my official account. I have to make from private to public account, so I will off this option and make it public. I will going to show you how many followers I will get on this account by doing or else by using that application. Okay, so now see my followers, 36,421. Okay, just keep in mind 421 followers I have. So now I will show you how it works. So you have to click on that option, click to start gaining followers. Then you have to select the time, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour. So according to your points it will tell you. So you just have to click OK. And now see, 421 followers I was having, and now I got 422, 24. So like that I will get lots of followers. Actually per day I earn thousands of followers. Okay, how much time you will spend on this application, that much followers you will gain. So better you just have to enter my referral code so that you will get easily followers. If you didn't wrote my referral code, then you will get lots of problem to work this application. Okay, so better use my referral code, which I have even given in description. So you, while using that referral code, you just have to confirm once again and then you have to click OK. So even you have purchasing option here. You can even pay money and get diamonds. So you can use this feature also. And keep in mind, whenever you will follow those people, you just have to come on the original app. Then again you have to refresh the application, you have to go to your account and you have to unfollow them and you will get the points. Okay, so without following them you will get points and your following list will be remain same and your followers list will increase. So see this, I got followers now, too many followers actually. By using this application you can even make likes also, you can make followers also. So how much time you will spend on this application, you will get that much followers and likes. Even you will earn lots of points here. So I hope you understood the video, and please don't miss the part of referral code, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like my videos, and just for more tricks and more hacks I will show on this channel. And as you know my official Instagram name, user ID, so you can even follow me there. And if you have any problem, if you get any problem from this, then you just call me or you just text me on my IMO or else Instagram. I will tell you, I will suggest you how to get followers, how to get points. And even if you are getting problem from getting points, then you just text me and I will send you some points so that you will get too many followers easily. So hope you understood the video. Have a nice day, stay safe, stay at home, have a nice day, bye bye.